Here's a 2017 Audi S7. Unbridled performance pairs with incomparable luxury. The result is this magnificent S7. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Auto shift manual transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop start feature, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, multi-zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, front heated leather sport seats, Audi Connect Wi-Fi hotspot, and twin-turbo V8 engine. The Car Connection calls it one of the most beautiful cars on the road today, plus it packs serious performance and abundant high-tech equipment. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.